Big up Crosses TV.
Bamba clad crosses TV. Come catch that one, your crosses TV.
Got a mystery, man. My sister all but she run your foot at. My sister all but she run your foot at no blood clot. Every day you get up man.
That go for your
Every day
mouth.
you get up your name mates and get up on all of your name because you're a rubber road. So every day you get out, every day you get up on Mason name, Mr. Lady. Mr. Lady, go and look at life and go and look at man for yourself. Come up back, mother. Come up back, mother. If you have a foot in a tranny, a foot in a ugly tranny, you know. Oh, don't foot in a ugly tranny. Um, I can't, I couldn't find myself wake up with Mr. Lady in a damn bed. I couldn't find myself wake up with her. She gave her one squeeze up post.
Sister girl.
No matter,
I can
you know why them are always have a problem. You know why them are always have a problem with you? That your skin clean and me know you from Wapikil fill up and you do your surgery them long time and all they do them and do back them surgery, them still can't make one. Girl go cut me and girl go say, "Boy, you're sick, you have this and that, but yet still you're posing up with my man. You take picture with my man. I mean, you are my man, and you post picture with my man. So tell me how you go. And I tell me, I'm on the fly for my blue passport go Jamaica. I just, where you don't want to fly going to the world, forget a nice fuck.
Jamaica, of course. The good man
Where
them
me
there.
want to go Dubai for?
But
When I
look
want to
at
go China
girl.
and Kong for?
Look at remember say sister say girl say man always done pandem. I remember say you have to remember that the boy them always
Yeah,
got give the
tell
boy them
you,
money.
you have problem with all, you have problem with Olivia, you have problem with Mr. Lady, you can't look like the girl, man. Olivia just the transition, and you don't look like blood clot Olivia. Olivia a clean girl, if I see him, I know say you nasty. You can't walk in a mother shoes, no day, no time. Mr. Lady, if you have something will crawl for a wall, where you want to come crawl for me, for? Boy, you talk about passport and this and that. Girl, stop pose up picture with my man.
Yeah. Hold on, girl.
That
One
you
man
need to
attack.
stop
Wait,
those.
one man to buy something for your sister. Hold on, one man to buy something for you. Hello?
Eh?
Hello? Hello?
You
Yes,
see, as my man come up here, you want him, Mr. Lady. I such a favor the party like them, yeah.
yes. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna text you. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Oh God, I'm bright and blood clot.
Sister,
Boy, you talk about
hold
nobody
on
not
now.
argued passport.
Sister girl, I'm soon come back, girl. When I'm trying to screen that to them, set me up a real good girl. Get sister one rich man. So the man drive all the
Yeah.
way.
But mother, look from when them girl that blood clot foreign and them have to wait till a man come through the border, a girl man or a girl and a pose up with girl man and I go tell girl say them sick. Mr. Lady, on go back in on the book and skip the blood clot page on the way. The blue book I'm mad them and that's why I'm gonna fly out pan it shortly. Me a fly out pan it shortly, you know. And maybe that weekend next week. Me I fly out pan it next week and Mr. Lady a different mad you can't forget if a Jamaican man a pay woman fuck you know. Pay woman fuck you and catch up on a blood clot here. Be a girl fuck you and catch up your blood clot here. Dirty Mr. Lady. Be a woman fuck you know. My man just come over here and you post a picture with my blood clot man go. My man come over here just a post a picture with my man go 40 leg. Moms. Pay now, yeah.
Sister girl, I can't stay long. Me have a rich man that come to me, I'm gonna pay me $800 just to eat my ass. But look, you know, $800 just to eat my ass, you know. But look at girl, them always talk about who's sick and who alive. Sister, this is what you need to tell them. They have to start from them camp first. Because remember, there's a lot of dead animals over there.
Right down the border.
Right down from them have to start from this first. So you can't even address it because they have to start from them blood clot cell first. Come straight blood clot down. That's why Chef hate her. And that's why every day when she be Chef shut her like dog. Chef hate you, Mr. Lady. That's why you hate me so. Because the boy tell me last night, I said, baby, don't go out. I love you. I don't want to harm to you. But girl, man, so reach at the door, girl. The rich man.
Yeah, if you pose up with my, but mother, if you pose up with my blood clot, man, and they don't want to come argue with me.
I'm waiting to get
Who do that?
The boy don't want her. You know the boy don't want her already. You know also the boy also. Girl, I have to go the man at the door. The man at the door, sister, later me soon come.
Alright, yeah. Move on a blood clot. Want to come pose up with people blood clot, man, and they don't want to come talk. How do you want a dirt bag? We don't want to get up a little money. Can't stay home? Alright, baby. Yeah. Alright. I come out of the people in place now. You nasty blood clot, you dirty mystery lady. You fever one blood clot fatty leg. Dirty girl, you can't talk nothing blood clot about me. Don't you, sir? You can't talk nothing about blood clot me. When you pose up with my blood clot, man. Oh, if you pose up with my blood clot, man, I talk about me. You don't know nothing about me. You and your friend them come and never take nobody phone yet a blood clot. Nobody may never take no boy will fuck on never blood clot for Kenneth yet. No boy. Well, blood clot go down and never blood clot for Kenneth yet a blood clot. Girl, remember, una for fuck off. I mean, Mr. Lady, they are foreign from Wappy Kill Filler. And you make the doctor fuck you up and do much in surgery by your blood clot. You got under too much anesthesia till the face wrinkle up. Then put you for sleep all blood clot long. So if you talk about me, my passport, I got mad here. A Jamaica, I want to go. Remember, Jamaica have the best man. They mean to say a Jamaican man come up and you just hungry for it. You're hungry for the Jamaican man. Move on the blood clot. Remember the man them over as them fuck them come. As them fuck them blood clot come in a split blood clot chicken and them cocky soft. So you want a good man for fuck you. And that's why you have to run for one of my fuck them dirty blood clot girl. Move your nasty blood clot mystery lady with the blood clot cement them in your chest and in your blood clot body will drop down and your face will suck out in a blood clot cola kill you. Go and stop the domestic flight, the international like blood clot me, dirty mystery lady. Do blood clot international like blood clot me. Me a fly out again the weekend next week for your blood clot international too. No domestic blood clot flight with no ID. International mystery lady, me a international blood clot girl for you. Go old man, you're tough and ugly in a blood clot. Where you're ugly mystery lady. Me a blood clot batty man and me a fuck man. Me uno fuck you. Me uno fuck you blood clot. And me uno wake up with you in the blood clot man. Cause your face leave a blood clot measle. You're nasty in a blood clot. Mr. Lady, everything boy you're wrong bang na blood clot. Mr. Lady, everything your body wrong, your leg them wrong. You know you what this girl go sing the song say? The big body and the slim leg there, Mr. Lady, cranny. Nothing about you, Mr. Lady, if you have a moral post. If you have a moral post, skeleton blood clot girl. The talk about me and my passport I'm mad. Nobody never give me. The man never fuck me and married me and give me the blood clot passport. I ban with it. I'm a not stop mad on a blood clot. Mr. Lady, I want to give one of the page them for travel international. Stop use your blood clot. Domestic ID them and fly domestic bitch. Fly international. I'm a not stop go Jamaica for mad out in the blood clot. I death of the good day. I death of the big cocky them day. I death of the good man them day. The good man man and the noble else a blood clot. Everybody want a Jamaican man in a them hole. Move your blood clot. Mr. Lady, you can't cuss money I pose with one of my blood clot man them. Go away. Or you fi chat to blood clot Kenneth, girl, me a international for your old batty man. Mr. Lady, you all no blood clot. Go and move your blood clot and go eat some puppy chow. And fatten up your blood clot too, jar them. Mr. Lady, nothing about your blood clot. Mr. Lady, you're wrong. Me not give no sticky. Me not say no part for you and forget sticky. Me a going now, so. Hold on, me a pause the live, yeah. No one them hear my business on the live. You know no more weed. Me a go down there, so get weed. Them have better weed? Alright, me a come. On the door gonna wear a soak up. Let me do that transaction here real quick. I want to get some puppy blood clot. So watch out. Clothes for today. What is them clothes? This nasty blood clot germ carrier. This germ carrier batty blood clot boy. You can't chat to me, Kenneth, if I fuck off on it yet. My blue book and Maddie bug. I be Jamaica sugar. She never got Dubai. You the passport I go Dubai. Me nah go Dubai. A Jamaica me want go. A Jamaica me want go. A Jamaica blood in my blood clot. My mother and my father are Jamaica and a blood clot and a Jamaica my blood clot raised. Mr. Lady, me go mad in a blood clot. Come me go take the plane and tell you to do this. All with my land, me go tell you to do this. All with my land back in my country, me I tell you to do this. Remember no one can't stop me. Remember no one can't put no wit hole for me. Remember no one can't put no blood clot hole for me. Move on a blood clot. Them have to tell Kenneth, well, blood clot come. Go suck on a mother. Mr. Lady, wrong bang up no blood clot. Mr. Lady, stay bad no blood clot. Mr. Lady, your foot them big for your blood clot, woman. Use a hermaphrodite, move your blood clot, chucky like a sister. Mr. Lady, wrong. Everything about you wrong, Mr. Lady. Go pure wrong bang. I'm a naggy and a sticky. All the beat you beat up, you go man and chat up your blood clot. We said the two blood clot bar. Come on New York and come do your blood clot base. I'm going Atlanta, the man them ratting out the whole of your throat long blood clot time. You're infected long time with blood clot, gonorrhea, syphilis, disease, AIDS, every blood clotting. So you can't chat to no girl if you come and never fuck off by you yet. Uno have to fuck off of me and suck off a blood clot me, dirty girl. So pick the beam out of your eye before you call Kenneth name in your blood clot mouth. And the call you have your passport in now. What the passport have to do with blood clot, you know? I don't mean I couldn't have to stay one place and the cold and take time suck out on a blood clot skin. Boy, every minute my jet lag. Me nah go Dubai. I don't want to go Dubai. Are you are your man to go Dubai? Mr. Lady, fly out. You're there for too long, you waste too much time. And your battle done long time. Come now make my battle done, my love, I'm in inert no time, my love, me have inert some more tight, your battle done. But dirty big man. This blood clot party they go favor on green post. You know they push them by running up another tree. Yeah. I see them run fast as such a look. Why? This dirty blood clot girl, the white push them, you're crying in a blood clot, then me that one wake up and think me wake up with a woman with a stifle you with a pillow. Me that put a pillow over your head and stifle you. Cause again, I could have fucked you in the night, but if I wake up and see me that use a pillow and stifle her blood clot. You think me I wake up and see me fuck that, me I stifle her and run for my life. Or the blood clot there. Then God no must come. If them bumbo clot girl that do blood clot burst and body and the cement them in your body drop down and them a scratch you and a bother you. Go to the doctor, ask him for your reimbursement. My love to fuck up your blood clot. Think I mean that you can't find your doctor. Move your blood clot, Miss Lady, and come for blood clot me. Go and move your dirty blood clot. Go look some papers and documents that are foreign too long. I ignorant for girl with blood clot band with them good book. Remember no man they give me, I never married no man yet. I band with my blood clot book. Nasty blood clot batty man. Boy, green lizard. You nasty blood clot, boy, you come for Kenneth. You can't come for Kenneth. You know me from somewhere? You know me from blood clot somewhere? You don't know me from no blood clot where bitch. Stop pose up with my man. That me say. Straight. Yeah, pose with my man. Bitch. Stop pose with my blood clot, man. Go ahead. Kenneth never fuck off on you a blood clot count a germ scarier. Una have rabies. Una have rabies. Mr. Lady, if I'm see you say your blood clot infected, me never fuck off on you so you can't class me. Bitch. And move your blood clot and go ahead. This dopey blood clot bat. I want to put her in a paddocky cage, make paddocky run down your blood clot and bite you up on your body. But I don't want my dog get infected, I get rabies. Stop post with my blood clot, man. Dirty Mr. Lady. Send a message to her, Mr. Lady, stop post with my blood clot, man. Bitch. That you for stop blood clot though. That you for stop blood clot though. Want a man, can't get a man. Look how long you there and a man now own your pan a wife you up. No man now own your pan a wife you up more than you walk and sell out your mouth from what to kill filler. You not have no short, you not have nothing about you. All blood clot insect puppy. Bumbo clot man I do a fuck with uno. Me a blood clot man and me a fuck batty and I fuck all you. I stifle your blood clot in the blood clot room with a pillow. I tell them say you kill yourself. I overdose a dirty blood clot, dirty Mr. Lady. Dirty Mr. Man. Mr. Lady, you stay bad in a blood clot. You stay bad. Mr. Lady, you stay bad in a blood clot. Where? First batty man, Mr. Batty and burst below. I never stay wearing naked clothes with a blood clot or straight Mr. Lady. I'll be a bus underneath the teeth them every way. You smell bad. You smell like cancer ball. You smell like blood clot camphor ball. Oh, girl, for one, come talk to me and I post it. Blood clot, Kenneth, man. Like you know something about me. Go, yeah? You can't talk to me no day, no time, Mr. Man. Move your blood clot, I soon come back. And me, I do my business them right now. I want to stay tuned. Papa, give me two of them here, please. What? Two of the gel them right here. And later, I soon come back. I soon come back. I'm not done with that big man there. No, not these. The pink box. So white. Yeah. I soon come back, my nice clean people. Come here, rub out that batty cat there. You're mad, no blood clot. Me can't make that right back there. Come talk to me. I'm going to answer you. But Mr. Lee, bread pan me, I talk about me kill you. And you dead long blood clot time. The whole underneath you rotten long time. But suck your mother, I'm done with you now. Get ready.